Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the flared skirt. The flared skirt is named from the multiple flares formed at the hem of the skirt. Its silhouette is largely dependent on the fabric used. Fabrics with good drapability give a softly mobile flow to the flared skirt. A more defined shape results when firmer fabrics are used. Today we use the flare skirt with yoke as an example. Next, we will demonstrate the draping steps. Before draping, we first need to design this skirt. Determine the waistline location, the shape of the yoke, the skirt length, the numbers and the placements of the flares. First, tape the shape of the yoke on the dress form. The shape of the yoke can be designed freely. It can be straight line or curve. Make sure the yoke is above the hip line, and the back should continue in a harmonious line with the front. Next, we will prepare the muslin. First, prepare the muslin for the yoke. The length and the width of the muslin is the length and the width of the yoke plus 10 centimeters, respectively. After cutting fabric, we will establish guidelines on it. Draw the lengthwise grain line for the center front 2.5 centimeters from the torn edge. Mark a point 6 centimeters down from the top edge. It's the front waist point. Next, we will draw lines on back panel. Draw the center back 2.5 centimeters away from the torn edge. Mark a point 6 centimeters down from the top edge. It's the back waist point. Next, prepare the muslin for the skirt. The length of the muslin is the length of the skirt plus 25 centimeters. The width of the muslin is half of the full width of the muslin. Generally, it should be about 80 centimeters. Next, draw lines on the skirt muslin. Draw the center front 2.5 away from the torn edge. Mark a point 20 centimeters down from the top edge. It's the yoke style line at center front. Next, on the dress form, measure the distance from yoke style line to the hip line at the center front. Mark this distance on the muslin. Draw a perpendicular line through this mark. And mark this line as the hip line. Next, we will draw on the back skirt. Draw the center back line 2.5 away from the torn edge. Draw a perpendicular line to the center back line at the same level as the front skirt. Okay, we have prepared the muslin.